huwag hahayaan na ang nakaraan ang huhubog sa iyong kinabukasan. Para sa mabungang buhay, tayo na po't magkapet pandasal. Sometimes, we lean on the reputation of our family, the prestige of our school, or our past achievements to define who we are. It's easy to believe that these things alone give us our worth, a concept particularly relevant today when social media can so easily craft a false identity based on what others see. But John the Baptist reminds us this Advent that our true identity isn't rooted in our lineage or successes. What truly matters is our own willingness to change and to let our actions, not just our words, speak for us. This is about producing fruit, a real and tangible transformation in our lives that shows who we truly are. Manalangin po tayo. Ama namin, ipagkaloob mo nawa sa amin ang biyaya na mamuhay sa paraang tunay nagpaparangal sa aming pagkakakilanlan kay Kristo. Amen.